Let me ask you something. Have you ever opened a gold chart, entered a trade, and within seconds, price moves against you? You feel confused. You feel frustrated. And you start thinking, maybe scalping is not for me. But here is the truth. Scalping is not the problem. The problem is how beginners are taught to scalp. In this lesson, I will not teach you speed. I will teach you clarity. A simple, logical way to scalp gold. Most people think scalping means fast entries, fast exits, fast money. Real scalping is different. Real scalping is waiting, then acting with precision. You wait for the market to show its hand. You do not guess. You do not hope. You respond. Why gold confuses beginners? Gold is emotional. Gold moves fast. And gold punishes impatience. Beginners lose on gold. Not because gold is random, but because they enter before the move is ready. They trade in the wrong session. They trade without liquidity. They trade without structure. But today, we remove that confusion. So, where scalping works. This is very important. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. Do not scalp gold all day. Gold scalping works best during London Open and New York Open. These are the times when institutions are active. Liquidity is present. And moves have intention. Outside these sessions, you wait. The beginner mindset. Let's talk about your mindset. Because scalping is not a chart problem. It is a behavior problem. If you feel the need to trade every candle, you are not scalping. You are gambling. A professional scalper can sit and do nothing for hours. Because patience is a skill. The core scalping model. Now let me show you the model. This is very simple. Simple does not mean easy. Step 1. Liquidity. Where are the equal highs or equal lows? This is where stop losses live. Step 2. The sweep. Price takes those stops. This is not manipulation. This is business. Step 3. Structure. Wait for confirmation. Do not be early. Entry, stop, target. Your entry is not aggressive. Your entry is calm. You enter on the pullback. Your stop loss is logical. Your target is realistic. Small wins. Repeated. Build confidence. Scalping is not about excitement. It is about control. Risk management, slow and safe. Now listen carefully. This part protects your account. Risk 1% or less. One trade per session is enough. If you lose, you stop. Tomorrow is another opportunity. Why most beginners fail? Most beginners do not fail because they are stupid. They fail because they are emotional. They want results now. They want excitement. The market does not reward that. The market rewards discipline. Final message for everyone. If you are new to scalping, trade less. Think more. Protect your capital. Master one setup. Ignore the noise. And let time work for you. This is a small lesson from my full gold trading masterclass. If you are tired of losing trading gold, you need the full lecture. It will guide you well. You will find the full lecture link in description below. If this lesson helped you, like the video. Comment your country, where you from. And I will see you in the next lesson.